Let's open the add-on preferences. Email settings. This section lets you enter the necessary information to receive an email when the render is completed or stopped, as long as the email button is enabled. The easiest and free method is to use Google's SMTP server. Please refer to the documentation or the tutorial video linked in the description for setup instructions. Render settings. This setting includes a slider that adjusts the delay between each render combination. It can speed up the rendering process, but if you're using cycles, it's recommended not to go below 0.20 to ensure stability. Custom naming format. Here, you can define tags that control how rendered images are named. Start a render to generate an image with the default tag-based name. Now select different tags and launch a new render. The image will be saved with a new name. You can use the buttons below to clear all tags or reset to default at any time. Reset settings. This button resets all add-on settings to their original default state. Optional features. This optional setting shows an animation button in the render and export menu. When activated, it allows the add-on to export animations instead of still images. That's it for preferences. Thanks for watching.